Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni Dhal. Let's look at today's top headlines. Now, TDS on free physician samples, doctors under income tax net. In what is going to bring a major setback to the traditional pharma marketing of providing free physician samples as well as various other freebies to doctors, the new Government of India guidelines are going to hold doctors accountable for such benefits by being liable towards a 10% TDS on the value of freebies received. Besides free samples, this will also be applicable to various kinds of other freebies, which may include foreign flight tickets or free Indian Premier League tickets in the course of business and more. The Central Board of Direct Taxes issued the guidelines clarifying the applicability of the newly inserted Section 194R in the Income Tax Act 1961 effective from 1st July 2022. Biocon executive among 5 held in bribery case. The CBI on Tuesday arrested 3 persons including L. Praveen Kumar, Associate Vice President and Head National Regulatory Affairs of Bangalore-based Biocon Biologics Limited, a company founded by Kiran Mazumdar Shah in connection with their investigations into alleged nexus between a few pharma firms and officials of the Central Drug Standard Control Organization. Guljeet Sethi of BioInvent Research Services Delhi and Animesh Kumar, Assistant Drug Inspector at CDSCO, were also among those arrested. The agency had on Monday apprehended the Joint Drug Controller S.A. Swara Reddy and Dinesh Dua, Director of Synergy Network India Private Limited. These two were also formally arrested on Tuesday, taking the total number of arrests in the alleged bribery case to 5. Facebook collecting medical info from hospital websites. A tracking tool on approximately 1/3 of hospital websites in the United States has sent private patient information to Facebook based on the investigative report jointly published by SDAT and the markup. The tracker known as Metapixel was identified in online appointment schedule features in 33 of Newsweek's top 100 hospitals in America. In 7 of these hospitals, the tracker also was linked to the hospital's patient portal feature. Most patient portals include details such as test results, medications, allergic reactions, and upcoming appointments. IIT Roorkee develops a device to detect schizophrenia, Parkinson's at early stages. A team of scientists at IIT Roorkee has developed a sensor that they claim can effectively detect neurological diseases like schizophrenia and Parkinson's at an early stage. While the diseases cannot be cured, their advancement can be controlled if detected early. According to the scientists, when a person develops a neurological condition, the level of dopamine in their brain drops. The sensor contains graphene quantum dots which are mixed with sulfur and boron. It changes light intensity and the slightest presence of dopamine and can be used to detect the amount of the chemical in the brain, thus detecting the presence of the diseases. Findings of the 8-member team were published in the latest June issue of the peer-reviewed journal Nature Scientific Remotes. Professor Soumitra Satapathy of the Department of Physics of IIT Roorkee, who led the research, explained the working of the sensor device. In Thiruvananthapuram, capsule-size pacemaker saves life of 72-year-old. The doctor at Kim's Health has successfully planted a capsule-size pacemaker in the heart of a 70-year-old patient in a rare medical procedure. The doctors found the state-of-the-art device to be the ideal option considering the woman's advancing age and enabling her to be discharged without the necessary long stay after surgery. Kim's Health consultant cardiologist Dr. Praveen SV, who carried out the procedure, said that usually attaching the usual pacemaker requires a major cut beneath the rib cage. The device is comparatively big and carries its cables called leads that are fixed to the right ventricle. That's all for today. Stay safe.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.